Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make your own lasagna pasta at home. The ingredients you will need for your lasagna sheet is egg and flour. The portions are 100 grams of flour to 1 egg. To obtain sheets enough to make a portion of lasagna, I will advise to use 200 grams of flour and 2 eggs. Put the flour in a bowl or wooden surface, create a hole in the middle of the flour and pour in the eggs. Use a fork to mix until the eggs is incorporated in the flour. Then start using your hand to knead until you obtain a homogeneous and smooth dough. Wrap the dough in a cellophane paper and let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. After this time, take the dough and cut into pieces as you'll be able to manage. I rolled mine with the rolling pin and gave it a rectangular shape. Then I later cut it into two. Here is the hand machine that I used to roll out the pasta so it could get the thickness necessary for a lasagna sheet. This is the first video of the lasagna series, so please subscribe and click the bell button to be notified when I upload the others. There is a handle at the side with numbers. These numbers helps reduce the space between the rolling pins so as to obtain the right thickness. For the first rolling, I set it at 8 so it will maintain the rectangular shape I created. I rolled it at this same thickness twice so it smoothens the dough. I started reducing the thickness by using the adjusting button by the side until I reached 1 to obtain a transparent and long dough. I would advise you to cut the sheets according to the size of the pan you will be using to lay the lasagna. Boil and salt the water. To cook the lasagna sheets, I will advise you to put one at a time. Remove the sheets when it starts floating and transfer it immediately into another bowl of cold salted water. For the lasagna series, I will start with the lasagna sheets, the béchamel sauce, the ragu alla bolognese, and then the laying of the lasagna. So that is the base recipe for any dough you want to make. This dough can also be used to make ravioli. Choose what filling you like to put in your ravioli. You seal the edges and you can boil. As you can see in the video, I also used the remaining dough to make another form of pasta, which we call tagliatelle. Please subscribe and click the bell button so you will not miss out when I upload the other videos.